Alright, picked up this police cop detector, or a Valentine One, which is supposed to be pretty decent. Had to create my own hard wiring harness, so that's one end gone. Did a little bit of MacGyvering here, so that should be good. That's going to plug into the fuse box, and this end here at the very end, right over here, it's going to go in there. So time to go test this out. Now before I do start to rip everything out from the interior, easiest way to test it out, make sure my connection actually works. Plug this all in, take the positive, go to the positive here, make sure it works, and we're good to go. So to continue with the fun, wiring it up through here, just tucking it under the headliner. And in this case, if you're to wire a dash cam as well, it'd be same idea, under the headliner or sometimes to the light switch there. In this case, goes underneath, under the A pillar. There's one screw to remove from here. Goes all the way down, through here. There's a panel, open that up, through the panel, and under the glove box through here. And you'll see that this bit here will just go into one of the fuses, and then the other bit, where is it? This will just go into ground. Really easy. All right, plugged into the fuse box. Still got to clean this up. All this has been reattached. That's just hanging by a thread. Hell yeah. Uh-oh.